Welcome at ISE 2020 on NorthVision booth. NorthVision, in a nutshell, is a Canadian company. We are designing, developing, manufacturing, and selling wireless presentation systems. We are an expert in this field, and we are actually the first to propose the world wireless true 4K. So this is a great achievement. And we do provide the most secure and fastest instant plug-and-play wireless presentation system. So why is it so simple, secure, and fast? The first reason is we are using HDMI connection instead of USB. And with that, you don't need to install any driver, any software. It's really plug and play. Most of the competitors there might use some USB connection, and because of that, sometimes you can't use the product because the USB connection is disabled first, and second, you're not allowed by the IT security to install any driver and software. So our product is really simple and secure. The other reason is we are not relying on the traditional Wi-Fi 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. We are using the wireless HD, so this is a 60 gigahertz bandwidth. It's super large, super fast, and with this we can transmit 4K content, true 4K content without any compression. It's just amazing. You see what you broadcast. The other big advantage of this 60 gigahertz technology is that you don't have any interference with the traditional Wi-Fi. So no oversaturation, so just a great product and great advantages. So if you want more information, just visit our website, www.northvision.com. And I'm very glad to make this presentation today. I hope to see you guys next year at ISE 2021 in Barcelona. Thank you.